Quick question. Faced with monocle, what do you look for in a hand mixer? Power, versatility, or perhaps something sleek and cordless? Thinking face, stick around, because in this video, we're revealing the top 5 best hand mixers of 2025, each designed to make your kitchen experience faster, easier, and more enjoyable. From the compact Cuisinart HM90S with 9 speed settings, to the cutting-edge Hamilton Beach cordless mixer with infinite speed control, we've got something for every kitchen need. Whether you're an experienced baker or just starting, we'll help you find the perfect match for your mixing, whipping, and kneading tasks. So, don't go anywhere. We're diving deep into each of these top contenders to help you make the best choice for your kitchen. Keep watching to find out which hand mixer takes the crown this year. Let's get started. Introducing the Braun Multi-Mix Hand Mixer in a sleek black design. Built for serious performance and everyday convenience. This powerful hand mixer is perfect for a wide range of kitchen tasks, from mixing cake batter and whipping cream to kneading dough. What makes the Braun Multi-Mix stand out is its smart mix technology, which places the motor directly over the attachments. This unique design shifts the weight out of your hand and into the bowl, giving you better control and reducing arm fatigue, even during longer mixing sessions. With multiple speed settings and a one-handed variable speed control, you can easily adjust the mixing power to match your recipe. It comes with high-quality attachments like stainless steel beaters and dough hooks, and they're all dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Whether you're a beginner baker or a seasoned pro, the Braun Multi-Mix offers both comfort and power in one compact machine, making your kitchen tasks smoother and faster every time. Introducing the Braun Multi-Mix Hand Mixer in a sleek black design. Built for serious performance and everyday convenience. This powerful hand mixer is perfect for a wide range of kitchen tasks, from mixing cake batter and whipping cream to kneading dough. What makes the Braun Multi-Mix stand out is its smart mix technology, which places the motor directly over the attachments. This unique design shifts the weight out of your hand and into the bowl, giving you better control and reducing arm fatigue, even during longer mixing sessions. With multiple speed settings and a one-handed variable speed control, you can easily adjust the mixing power to match your recipe. It comes with high-quality attachments like stainless steel beaters and dough hooks, and they're all dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Whether you're a beginner baker or a seasoned pro, the Braun Multi-Mix offers both comfort and power in one compact machine, making your kitchen tasks smoother and faster every time. Say goodbye to tangled cords and limited movement in the kitchen with the Hamilton Beach Professional Cordless Electric Hand Mixer, a high-performance tool designed for modern cooks who value freedom and control. This sleek black mixer features a powerful DC motor that delivers consistent, effortless mixing, whether you're whipping cream, blending batter, or folding dough. One of its standout features is the infinite speed control, allowing you to precisely adjust the mixing speed for any recipe using the intuitive LCD screen. And thanks to its cordless design, you're no longer tethered to an outlet, giving you the flexibility to move freely around your kitchen. It charges quickly and efficiently, so you're never waiting long between uses. The mixer also comes with premium whisks, a convenient storage case, and easy-to-clean attachments, making it perfect for both everyday tasks and more advanced baking projects. If you're looking for professional-grade performance in a cordless, user-friendly package, the Hamilton Beach 62673 is a total game-changer. Introducing the Breville Handy Mix Scraper BHM 800 BTR, the ultimate hand mixer that combines powerful performance with sleek design. In a stylish black truffle finish, this hand mixer is perfect for home bakers who demand precision and versatility. Equipped with scraper beaters, it ensures a smooth, consistent mix without the need to stop and scrape the bowl. Whether you're whipping cream, making dough, or mixing cake batter, the 900-watt motor provides the strength you need for every task. The 9 speed settings give you full control, allowing you to adjust the speed based on your mixing needs, from gentle stirring to high-speed whipping. Plus, the ergonomic design and soft grip handle make it comfortable to use for extended periods. The LCD screen makes it easy to monitor your chosen speed, and the included storage case ensures all the accessories stay organized. With the Breville Handy Mix Scraper, you get professional-level performance, efficiency, and style. Ideal for both beginner bakers and seasoned pros alike. Introducing 2 must-have kitchen appliances that will elevate your cooking experience. The KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer KHM512 and the Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender KHBV53, both in a stunning pistachio color. The 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer is perfect for all your mixing needs. Whether you're beating eggs, mixing batter, or whipping cream. Its 5 speed settings allow for precise control, from slow stirring to high-speed beating, giving you the flexibility to tackle a variety of tasks with ease. The mixer is lightweight, ergonomic, and comes with a powerful motor that ensures consistent results. Meanwhile, the variable speed corded hand blender offers even more versatility, ideal for pureeing soups, smoothies, or making sauces. With its adjustable speed control, it allows for smooth blending at your desired pace. Both appliances come with easy-to-use attachments and a sleek, modern design, ensuring they not only perform well but also add a pop of color to your kitchen. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or a home cook, these KitchenAid tools are the perfect addition to any kitchen, making meal prep easier and more fun. So there you have it, the top 5 best hand mixers of 2025. Whether you're looking for a compact powerhouse like the Cuisinart HM90S, a sleek, cordless solution like the Hamilton Beach Professional, or a high-performance, stylish choice like the Breville Handy Mix Scraper, there's something here for every kitchen need. Each of these hand mixers is designed to make your food prep faster, easier, and more efficient, giving you the perfect balance of power, control, and convenience. From professional bakers to everyday cooks, these hand mixers provide the right tools to handle everything from mixing batters to whipping up creamy concoctions with ease. So, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews and kitchen tips. Thanks for watching, and happy mixing!